Assalamu alaikum friends. Today this video we will learn 15 lines on my village. Number 1. My village is most beautiful village. Number 2. The real life is a village life. Number 3. It is simple and pure. Number 4. It is quiet and peaceful. Number 5. There is greenery everywhere. Number 6. People usually wake up early in the morning. Number 7. Villagers enjoy the beauty of nature. Number 8. They all respect each other. Number 9. The air is clean and safe for everyone. Number 10. Most of the villagers are farmers. Number 11. About 5,000 people live in my village. Number 12. Most of the houses in my village are made up of mud. Number 13. My village have a big playground and government school. Number 14. I love my village very much. Number 15. Really, I am proud of my village. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel to watch my new video on YouTube. Thanks for watching.